Well, it is the early morning of day 3 of the shop build. After 2 days of construction here in the shop build. Again, they worked late into the night last night, so I couldn't get any footage after day 2, but this is what it looks like early morning, day 3. Pretty much all the siding is on all the way around. We'll take a walk around. Today's video is sponsored by King Metals. They've got all your fabrication needs in one location. From hinges to hardware, balusters to metal decor, brass to aluminum, and a whole lot more. You name it, they've got it. Check them out today at kingmetals.com. Now let's get back to today's video. Trying to get you out of the sun. The boys aren't here yet, but they're telling me today they're done. The roof is on, the roll-up doors are going to be on, and this is going to be a complete project today. This is the back right here, and this is the side. Boy, all right, I'll walk down here. I may have to hurdle this ladder, but anyways, not much here on the side to see, but it's just I'll give you a shot soon as I turn the corner here. Let me hurdle this ladder they got over here, but all right, there's the side, and then this is the front right here. Ooh, the sun's brutal. And we'll go all the way out to the street, see if you can get a better view. But there it is. That is the front, and they're going to be putting the doors on today. And they're saying, like I said, this is going to be a complete project. We'll walk around this side. I'm going to try to give you guys every angle we can. There's the trailer. The roll-up doors are sitting there. They got these ladders. They lay them down, I'm assuming, because of the wind. They don't want anything to get blow over if there's any kind of wind at night. But there is a shot of the inside before the roof goes on. Pretty massive building. That's exactly what I was hoping for. It's exactly what I knew I was getting. And this is going to be a great new shop. I'm really looking forward to working on the inside of this and getting this thing built out and starting to build stuff, man. I'm getting bored. I've done everything I can around this place, but I've got it all done, and now it's time to start building stuff. I'm really looking forward to that. But again, this is after 2 days of working, and I'll give you another update tomorrow or maybe later on this afternoon when it's all complete. All right, I'll see you then.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.